For your MTA exam, you'll need to know about some of the characteristics of the various types of storage media. Solid-state drives, or SSD, are very fast, they're very stable, they have no moving parts in them, and so they don't wear out very quickly. And there's no problem with fragmentation over time of those files. However, they tend to be expensive comparatively, about 4 times per unit the cost of hard disk drives, and they tend to be lower capacity. Hard disk drives are cheap, they're very high capacity, but they do suffer from fragmentation, and eventually they tend to break down because of the moving parts, and only moderate speed compared to SSDs. The fastest ones will rotate at about 15,000 RPM. Optical discs are convenient. We're talking now about CDs, DVDs. They're very convenient. You can store a lot of them in small chunks, and they are fairly stable. We'll talk about that again in just a moment. And there's no real problem with fragmentation, mainly because you only write once to it, so you don't keep rewriting to it. However, they do disintegrate over time. In about a year's time, we can expect a DVD or a CD to lose bits of data due to some of the wear inside the disk on the medium itself. They are low capacity. They are moderately slow compared to hard disk drives and SSDs. They're slower, and they tend to be only write once, or worm, write once, read many. Now, there are rewritable ones, but they are not as reliable. Tape drives are very high capacity and very stable. We use these on things like, for example, CERN. When we do the super collider experiment, we store that data on high-speed and high-density tape. That's because it's very stable and high capacity, low cost. However, it's slow. You can only read and write serially to it, and it's somewhat inconvenient. Now you've got all these rolls of tape that you have to have usually some storage and retrieval system for, and so on, in order to find the tape you need. If you're in an enterprise situation, you have to store backups that are done on tape in a secure place on site or off site, so it's inconvenient to use them.